How to plant a tree. Welcome to our fun guide on planting a tree with kids. Today, we'll show you how to create a little green paradise together. First, choose the perfect spot. Look for a sunny area in your yard or a local park. Make sure there's enough space for the tree to grow big and strong. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a small shovel, a watering can, and of course, a young tree. Make sure to pick a tree that's suitable for your climate. Now, it's time to dig. Get everyone involved and take turns digging a hole that's twice as wide as the tree's roots. Remember to make it just as deep as the root ball. Once the hole is ready, gently place the tree in it. Make sure the roots are spread out and not twisted. Cover the roots with soil and give it a little pat to keep everything snug. Water your new tree well. This helps settle the soil and gives your tree a refreshing drink. Don't forget to check the soil regularly and keep it moist, especially in the first few weeks. Lastly, add a protective layer of mulch around the base. This keeps the moisture in and helps the tree grow strong and healthy. And there you have it. You've just planted a tree. Enjoy watching it grow together. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. See you next time.